When we purchased the store, it was an attended laundromat. After we did the remodel, we wanted to take it to the unattended model, and Huebsch Command has allowed us to go unattended and still have that attended laundromat feel. The Huebsch Command portal allows me to see, view, and interact with my store as if I was there. Every morning I receive a report that reflects the revenue the store produced the day before. I can see what washers and dryers are in use, how many turns I've had on each particular machine. If a customer calls me with a concern or an issue, I'm able to provide a refund by vending the machine remotely. And with the app, it allows the customers to pay with their phone and to get alerts when their washer or dryer has been completed, which allows us to provide a level of service to the customer that's unmatched. Because the app captures things such as names and email addresses, it allows me to provide incentives and promotions to the customers to keep them coming back to our store. The simplicity of this system upon installation was one of the greatest things. With the computer boards coming factory installed, the setup of the system took minutes, and the aesthetics on the Huebsch machines, they're the best looking machines out there. As a store owner, Huebsch Command allows me to have a full bird's eye view of what's going on in the store at any point in time from anywhere in the world. And we're amazed on a daily basis how we're able to run our unmanned store the way we are thanks to Huebsch Command.